wrong, but that's okay. He's a brother from another mother in best possible way. He always comes to visit. He's always up for a beer. He's as close to us as family, and he's always welcome here. Westy, old mate, you're one of our oldest mates, because you're a top bloke in our life that really rates. Catch you next time, cheesehead. Before you know it, you'll be back. We'll be here in the bay. We have always got your back.